Hey guys, so I am on a bike ride and I am riding one-handed right now because I have to hold the camera. I have to hold the camera, and so it's tough. Well, not really tough, but I don't know. But I am riding to Alton High School, and then I'm going to see if I can go ride to that, like around that loop thing for, it like goes into a different school, crossing the street. It like goes into a different school. I think it's Byram. Wait, no, it's not Byram. But it's a school and it has like this loop that you can, I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but yeah, I'm gonna ride that loop, and then I'm gonna go to Ibach Park, and then after Ibach I'm gonna head back home. So I'm about to go on this hill. And I am not riding up it. I am going to walk up it because I don't do hills. So, well, I do sometimes, but it takes up all my energy. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I just started like 15 minutes ago. And yeah, so about to go on the hill. Just rode up the hill. I hate that hill, but when I'm running down it, I love it because it's like it has bumps, and it's like you go so fast. So, and it has bumps, so that makes it even better. So I like that hill when I'm going down it, but I hate it when I'm going up it. And I can't believe it, but I just biked up that hill, the entire hill. Like I didn't even stop to walk. Oh, okay, I'm good now. Whenever I like run a little bit, then I'm out of breath for like 30 seconds, and then it's over. And I rode here from Tigard, so it's a long way. I need to do this more often. Back in the street. Another hill. Starting the mile. I don't think I'm gonna go to Ibach anymore. I'm rushing this because I only have 3 more seconds until the video.